children, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, our today's lesson is match the beginning sound with pictures and write middle and ending sound. Now let's start our work. Children, which sound is this? This is B. B. Now let's see, children. Is here anything which is starting from the sound of B? This is cab. Cab. What is this? This is map. Map. And this is red. Red. What is this? This is bag. Yes, bag. So we will write here the spelling of bag. B-A-G, bag. Its starting sound is B, middle sound is A, ending sound is G. And children, now we should match the spelling of bag with bag. Which sound is this? This is cab. Cab. Now let's see, children. This is cab. Yes, it is starting from the K. So we have to write here the spelling of cab. K-A-B, cab. And we should match the spelling of cab with cab. Which sound is this? This is H. Now let's see, children, which thing is starting from the H? This is map. Map. This is red. Red. This is pot. This is pen. This is pen. This is head. Yes, her head. So we will write here the spelling of head. Head. And we will match the spelling of head to head. What is this, children? Which sound is this? P. Now let's see, children. Which thing is starting from the P? This is map. Map. This is red. Red. This is pen. Pen. So we will write here the spelling of pen. Pen. And we will match the spelling of pen to pen. Which sound is this? Let's see, children. What is this? This is map. Map. So we will write here the spelling of map. Map. And we will match the spelling of map to map. Which sound is this? Now let's see, children. Which thing is starting from this sound R? This is red. Red. So we will write here the spelling of red. Red. Now children, match the spelling of red to red. Which sound is this? F. F. Now let's see children, which thing is starting from the F? This is tap, the tap. This is fan, fan. So we will write here the spelling of fan. F-A-N, fan. Now we will match the spelling of fan to fan. Now which sound is this? T. T. Now let's see children, which thing is starting from the T? This is tab. Tab. So we will write here the spelling of tab. T-A-B. Tab. Now we will match the spelling of tab to tab. I hope children you will understand the beginning sound, middle sound and the ending sound. Children, this is your book of PLS. Now open the page number. Children, we have already done this page on board. So you will do page number 21 and also 20 in the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.